Oh god, the sun's in my way. Like, before I start, let me FaceTime my boyfriend and show him my hair, if he even cares. I don't think he'll pick up though, because he's on his way to work. Ta-da!
I told you. I told you.
I done it.
I told you it was super.
I was, you know, I don't do coloured hair, so I was just like, well, I do, but I kiss your teeth for. I'm filming, by the way, I forgot to mention that part.
Oh, yeah, please, you're running out my data right now. I need to go. Cheers.
Can you tell me I look nice first?
Unless you're paying my bill.
Can you tell me I look nice first, then you can go?
You look wonderful. Well done. Congratulations.
Every time I see you, you make my heart say,
This is like, oh, the camera's wonky. This is like, I need a name for this wig. Should I call it like, God, I'm not even centered. Okay, I'll call it like ICY. I'm gonna call this wig ICY. I give my wigs, I try to give my wigs names. My mum thinks it's really creepy though that I would name my wig. She's not a wig person. My mum's like she's like a natural hair person. So wigs is just like, in her mind, wigs are for elderly people that like the short curly wig. But she finds the fact that I name my wigs really creepy. This is gonna be called ICY. I'll call this one. So I had to go change my lip gloss. I feel like this lip combo goes better with my hair. I'm still trying to get used to this. It's like also, I don't do coloured hair. I do coloured hair. I do coloured hair, but like blonde is like out of my comfort zone, because you know me, I'm the long jet black girl. That's what I like. I like long jet black hair. I'm not. The more I look at it, the less I'm mad. Like it's nice. No, it's nice. I've done good with this wig, but I'm just getting used to it. Anyways, let me just stop. Let me shut up and just start the video. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going. Sorry. My friend just texted me saying he likes my hair, so I'm really happy. Hey Kevin. I'm going to be doing a review of this hair. It's not going to be a run through of the colour, because I have a separate video on the colour which will be coming after this video has been uploaded, so maybe a week after, a couple of days after, depending on how quickly I can edit it, because it's already filmed. So please do not ask me about the colour, how I toned it, how I got the, just don't ask me, because it will low-key, high-key get on my nerves, because I have a video coming on it, and I want you guys to actually watch that, so you don't have to wait, I'm afraid, sorry. So this is about if you want to be a blonde babe, I'm going to do like a series. I'm going to do one makeup tutorial for blonde hair, one, I think, and then I'm going to do dyeing it, and the first video is going to be the hair itself, where to get that. If you want to be a blonde babe, you need to get the right hair, right? You need the hair. I'm here to help you with that. So this hair is from a company called SuperNova Hair. They were kind enough to send me 3 bundles of 20-inch 613 hair and an 18-inch 613 closure, which I have toned and added roots to myself. So I've done everything. All this is all done by me. Made the unit myself. I do not dye hair for people. I do not make wigs for people. I'm sorry. There's not enough. Like, I like doing hair. Like, I do hair when I'm stressed or I'm upset, but not enough to the point where like I'll be making wigs for people or dyeing hair for anybody. I only dye hair for my friends, not for people. No, I don't like doing it. On to the specs of the hair. So obviously, this is one of the short. I always get long hair. As you can see, this isn't. Oh, my bra. Ooh. As you can see, this isn't that long. Well, some people 20 inches is long, but this is short for me, because I always do like, you know, super long 26-inch hair. But for some reason, for the blonde, I wanted to keep it nice and like length, I suppose. I'm 5'3", 2'3", so it comes up to like here on me. On my back, it's like, oh, my bra is out here. The hair doesn't shed, as you can see me just doing that. No hairs. Even when I was toning it and doing the roots, it didn't really shed as I was washing it out. It shed like a tiny bit, as you'd expect when you're washing hair out, but not. Considering I did 3 bundles on the closure, I got like maybe this much hair, not like, yeah, not like this much hair. When I pulled it out from my sink, like maybe this much, like it wasn't really a lot considering that I was washing quite a bit of hair out. So I was very impressed by that. No weird funny smell. It's really soft, because I've noticed a lot of people have their 613 hair looking hella stiff. I don't know if it's because of the quality of the hair you're getting or you're just not treating it right, but it's okay. Like, this hair is really good. Like, it's 613, but it still feels very good, almost like regular 1V hair. Almost, not quite the same, but like it's a marginal difference. I'm just fussy, so I notice the difference a little bit, but it's been processed, so what do you expect? But it's still very good quality. If you tone it and stuff, it won't just like give up on you and just die. Look at that. See that? Ooh. It's got a nice natural luster to it as well. Not too shiny, waxy looking. I hate waxy looking blonde hair. It's just a nice natural luster. Yeah. Shipping time was about 4 to 5 days, as you'd expect with DHL. They're moving hella slow these days though, DHL. Anyways, but 4 to 5 days. And then the company itself, communication is like, I could just kiss the owner on the forehead like, because that's really creepy. Even though obviously you're gonna be like, you get your YouTube now, you get sent the hair, what do you mean about communication? Well, maybe it's just me, but you'll still find that some vendors suck ass at communication, even when they're like sending you the hair and you're contacting directly via email. Rubbish. SuperNova, I'll get back to you really, really quickly. Communication is good because they kind of understand, because sometimes you'll find with vendors, because a lot of them are based in China, there's a language barrier, but SuperNova still answered all my requests. They got what I wanted. They didn't get my order wrong, because you'd be surprised. That's what I mean with communication. Some vendors will get your hair wrong. Even when you're getting sent the hair for free, I'll tell you that. They'll get your order wrong. But they did everything right. I think it's just perfect. It's just lovely. It just made my life easy. Just waited for her to come and did what I had to do. So yeah. I have something to say. I forgot what it is. But yeah, that's it from me really. I have nothing else to say because this hair is just so great. I know I say this in every review, but you'd be surprised how much hair I get sent that I don't review because the hair is whack. So if I'm reviewing it, it's because I get good hair. But obviously, if you buy this hair, let me know how it goes for you as well, because that counts as part of my review when I do updated reviews. But you know, so far I'm happy. I'm not upset. I'm not upset. I really like the colour. I don't know if I want to make it whiter than it is. I think I might leave it like this because it's still a bit yellowy. But I think it looks better like this. But look at that. Anyways, that's it from me. I have nothing else to say on my oven, stroking my hair. That's it from me. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. What else did you say again? Notification. That's how I'm bad. Notification bell. I don't know what side it's on. 20 sides. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. Especially Instagram. I keep telling you I'm trying to climb this Instagram thing because I need to, because I'm so bad on Instagram. But Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all that jazz. Yeah, if you have any questions that do not revolve around, oh, I got the colour, I want to do some video on that, please feel free to ask me. Comments, DMs, whatever. I'm friendly, I promise. I'm nice. I don't know if I come across nice on camera, but I'm nice. Anyways, sorry, I got distracted. That's it from me. Bye guys.